This video tutorial I will explain AWS S3 event notifications. AWS S3 event notifications allow you to get notified whenever something happens in your S3 bucket. It is like setting an alarm for specific events so that you can take action automatically. What are S3 event notifications? Event notifications are messages sent when certain actions occur in your S3 bucket, like uploading, deleting, or updating files. These messages can trigger other AWS services like AWS Lambda, Amazon SQS, or Amazon SNS. Now we will see how do S3 event notifications work. For example, someone uploads a file to our S3 bucket. The bucket detects the action and triggers a notification for it. The event is sent to the service you have chosen, like Lambda, SQS, or SNS. The receiving service processes the event and provides feedback or completes the action. For example, your Lambda function compresses the file. Why we have to use event notifications? First point is automatically process the files which are uploaded to S3. For example, resizing the images or processing logs. Next point is keep track of changes in your bucket. Next point is notify someone or another system when something happens in your bucket. You can configure notifications for actions like when a file is added to your bucket, when the file is deleted, when an existing file is updated. Now we will see example use case. Imagine you upload a new photo to your S3 bucket. S3 detects the upload. The event triggers an AWS Lambda function. The Lambda resizes the image and stores the resized image in another S3 bucket. Now we will see what are the steps we have to follow to set up S3 event notifications. Here you can see the AWS console. First I will create SQS. I have given queue name as file upload queue. Queue has been successfully created. And here you can see the queue. Here you can see already I have created S3 bucket. The name of the bucket is ROM bucket 12345. Click on this and it does not have any files. Click on properties. Here you can see event notification section. Click on create event notification. Event name I am giving as file event. Here you have to select event types. I am selecting all object create events. So whenever file is uploaded, the event will be created. And here you have to choose destination. I am going to choose destination as SQS queue. I am selecting a file upload queue which I have created just now. Save changes. And here I am getting this error. We will see how to fix this error. To fix this issue, we have to allow S3 bucket to send messages to SQS queue. For that, we have to change the policy of the SQS queue. We will see how to do that. Click on edit. And here you can see the access policy. Click on policy generator. The type of the policy is SQS queue policy. Principal I am giving star, which means allow anyone. And here we have to select the action. Action is send message. And Amazon resource name. This SQS resource name, you can get it from here. Click on add statement. Click on generate policy. So this policy, what it will do is, it allow anyone to send messages to SQS queue. Copy this. Save the changes. If you see, the messages available is 0 in this particular queue. Now click on save changes. And now it is working fine. Successfully created event notification. And the notification name is file event. Click on refresh. And here you can see, it received one message. Click on poll for messages. And here we got the message. And the message came from S3 bucket. And this is the test event. Now in this bucket, I'm going to upload one file. And file is uploaded successfully. And now we will check the SQS queue. Poll for messages. And now we got one more message. Click on this. And here we got one more message because the bird.jpg file is uploaded. And here you can see object created : put. And here you can see the file name is bird.jpg. Click on details to see the details. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.